We know basically it's what we love with a passion for the flooring. Make sure that any old floors get the longest life they can have. We are so used to throwing things away rather than looking after things.
We're really picky on what materials we use. And it goes from line marking paint to masking tape to seal. And when we found Dr. Schutz, that was the answer. Okay, after you.
Okay, right. Well, I'm Rosie Biddle, and this is Mark, my husband.
Yeah, I'm Mark Biddle. I can speak for myself.
Here you go. Right, this is how we always work, right? Basically, we run Biddle Sport. We've both been in the sports floor industry for quite some time. So at the school here, we noticed that the floor was getting slippy. They expressed to us that it was really difficult to maintain, difficult to keep clean. So we discussed with them the opportunity of putting a clear coat from Dr. Schutz on. So what we've done here is we remarked all the lines. Well, first of all, we prepped the floor with the good cleaning system. Again, all from Dr. Schutz, all the products, which makes the life a lot easier to scrub the floor as well.
You can call every time.
Quality control. Keep an eye on you.
Oh, picky.
So every sports floor, once it's installed, has a timeline. When it's 10 years old and the lines are faded, it's a perfect time to remark the lines.
So we've marked the lines out. We're going to do court by court because Dr. Schutz paint dries really quick, which is amazing. So we're going to do the yellow first, which is a netball court, typical to England. After that, we're going to go for basketball in red. And then we're going to do something slightly different. We're going to go one way with all the straight lines, probably that way first, and then we're going the other way. And we're also adding some new lines today. So let's see what happens. Which one have you got? The big one or the small? Again, because the Dr. Schutz paint is such a good paint, it dries very quick, so you can do court by court. That's a very big bonus. I'll go and mix the paint. Nice colour.
Yeah.
Look at this, Mark.
Yeah.
Yeah? You're going to like this.
Hey?
Watch this. How nice and thick.
Lovely. That's what the doctor ordered.
We started with the yellow court, which is a netball court, and then we did the badminton and the volleyball and the new pickleball lines, which were in orange. So it was a bit of a combination of remarking the lines as well as giving the school another opportunity for a different sport, which is what they wanted because it gives them more revenue. So apart from that, you can also change the colour of the floor if you wanted to, but it's the sports finish, the clear coating on the top that gives the sporting qualities back to the floor. You're not showing the label. Mark, are you rolling or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool. You do that one. If you wait a minute there then.
Overcoat the lines with Dr. Schutz Sports Sealer. And the benefit of the maintenance is that the sealer protects the line markings, so you don't have to pay for another remark for a long period of time, and it extends the life of the floor. So when the floor becomes 10 years old, that's the perfect time to budget for remarking and clear sealing. They can get more years extra life out of their floors, so it's worth doing.
It's great that there's now finally a product on the market that will allow a sports floor to be maintained rather than being thrown away after 10, 15 years because it wasn't maintained.
Just the way the floor is clean all the time. It's how a synthetic floor should be. There's no reason why not.